Now we're going to cover how to look at a system scan with fault code reading. I really like this screen because it gives you a whole look at the vehicle. So over here, you see these red triangles. What that means is you have an active fault. If you have an inactive fault, that will be in yellow. Times 3 is how many faults are in that system. So I have 3 in the engine, 3 in the transmission, 2 in the ABS system. If just one fault code is active, it will show up red. If all the fault codes are inactive, they'll show up yellow. Or if there's no fault codes, there'll just be nothing here. So once you click on the plus, then you can open up to the fault codes and see what those are.